family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selena Zenchuk. This is my starting point. This is how my hair is looking. And this is also my first time trying the full maximal hydration method, the original old method which have various steps in it. And after doing the full treatment, this is how my hair is looking. At this point, this is a wash and go, and this is my first time in my entire hair life, natural hair life, for me to see my curls this clump. The maximum hydration method just enhances your natural curl pattern, and it also make your hair to keep water, to keep moisture into your hair longer. So once you have moisturized hair, your hair is not going to break off. Now I'm going to show you the full process. The first treatment was done by Cherry Lola. I'm going to be using her treatment in this video. I will leave her original video down below and also some other YouTubers that did the maximum hydration method on your hair. This is an old method, but I decided to give it a try just for me to see how I can enhance my natural curls pattern and also to keep moisture in my hair. For your hair to achieve its full potential, its full maximum hydration, they say that you should keep doing this method every day for 7 days or until you see that your hair has reached its maximum hydration. As for me, I will only do this method once a week for 2 weeks and then I will skip it for some months and then I will come back and give it a try. Because I also saw that if you overdo this method, your hair will be excessively dry, which can also cause breakage, and that's what we are trying to avoid. I'm now going in with our 2 cups of yogurt. I'm using low-fat Greek yogurt. After that, I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of our apple cider vinegar and then 2 tablespoons of our liquid aminos. I'm now going in with our raw honey. I will be using 1 tablespoon of that. After that, I'm going in with our baking soda. I will be using 2 tablespoons of baking soda. I'm now going in with our dark unsulfured molasses. I'm using 2 tablespoons of that also. Just mix everything together. This treatment was mainly formulated for low porosity hair. So don't be alarmed the amount of protein that is in it will just lift up your hair cuticles. But for high porosity growth, we are fine to also use this treatment. After that, I'm just going to transfer it into my blender because we want to blend this properly so that it doesn't leave any chunks in our hair, which will be very difficult to rinse out. I'm now going in with 1 ripe avocado. After adding in our avocado, I'm going in with 1 ripe banana. And then I'm just going to crack open my one egg. After that, we are just going to blend this for about 5 to 6 minutes. Just make sure you blend it properly until everything is blend well and you see that it's all creamy and soft and moisturizing, because we don't want any chunks left in it. It's just going to be difficult to rinse out. So after blending it, as you guys can see, mine turned out so amazing. It is just creamy and very lovely. So I'm now just going to put this aside, and then I will show you the next step. For step 2, you will need a moisturizing conditioner or a moisturizing deep conditioner. Just make sure your conditioner or deep conditioner does not have much protein in it, because the first treatment already got a lot of protein in it. So this is our second step in the maximum hydration method. Now to move to the third step, your bowl and a spatula. I'm using the Aztec Indian healing clay. And then we'll also be going in with our apple cider vinegar. I will also be using some water and then our rosemary essential oil. I'm adding in rosemary essential oil because it is also an amazing oil for our scalp. You can use the amount of clay that you think is necessary for your hair length and your hair thickness. I'm not using any specific measurement. I'm just using the amount that I feel will be enough for my entire hair and my scalp. And then I'm just going in with our apple cider vinegar. And then I will add in some water just so that I can get the right consistency that I want. Now, it is very important that you stay away from metal spoons and metal bowls, because there is some scientific research that state that when you use metals, it breaks down the benefits of your clay. So just try to use something wooden or glass. You can use a glass bowl. That's also great. So this is how our clay is looking. I love this consistency. It is just perfect for my hair, so it can also be easy to rinse out. I'm now just going in with my 1 teaspoon of my rosemary essential oil. Our next step, which is step 4, you need a leave-in conditioner. Just after your clay mask treatment, I'm using the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. Now we have step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. One more step and then we are done. For step 5, you need your flaxseed gel. And to do that, you will need a pot. I'm going in with 4 cups of distilled water. And I'm using our brown flaxseed. My measurement is 1/4 cup of flaxseed, and I'm just adding 2 of that into our pot. And then I will give this a good stir, put it on our stove, and let it just boil until I see the trace of the gel. Once you see the trace of your gel, you can turn your stove off, leave it, let it cool down, and then you can strain it through a sifter. Okay, family, so we got our full maximum hydration treatment ready. If you love to see how I apply it to my hair, then stay tuned for part 2 of this video, because this is a very long process. So if you love this video, please do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.